Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to reduce nth order differential equation into first order differential equation. So first of all we will understand what is nth order differential equation. So d power of ny over dx power of n plus a1 d power of n minus of 1 upon dx n minus of 1 plus a2 d power of n minus of 2y over dx n minus of 2 plus dash 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 plus a n y equals to f of x. This is called nth order differential equation. Nth order differential equation. Now, what is d n y over dx n? This is nth order derivative. This is nth order derivative. Now, we have to change higher order, that is whatever the order is given, higher order into the first order. First order. What is first order? First order means dy over dx. Higher order is here dny over dxn. Now we are going to convert this into dy over dx. Let's see here any differential equation. So suppose I am taking here third order differential equation. Let's say I am saying y triple dash equals to 3 y dash minus y double dash. For an example, this is what third order differential equation. So, differential equation. Now, some initial conditions are given. Let's say initial conditions are y at 1 is 2, then y dash at 1 is 3 and y double dash at 1 equals to minus 6 and y triple dash 1 y triple dash at 1 is 4. Okay, first of all we have to understand what is this all. So this is called initial values. This is called initial values. So if you can see this equation, so this entire equation from here to here, this equation is creating a system. This is creating a system of higher order differential equation. Now, we will convert this equation into first order. So, what is our object? Our object is to convert into a system of first order differential equation, right? So, there are some important points to be noted here. What is the important point? What is the order given here? This is fourth order, guys, sorry. Now, what is important points here? First of all, we have to note what is the highest order. So, here highest derivative is fourth derivative, that is d power 4, let's say y over dt power 4. I am assuming here y is a function of t, right? Now, if it is fourth order, how many equations we will get here? How many equations? How many first order equation? First order differential equation we will get? We will get 4 equations. We will get 4 equations. Okay. How many initial conditions are given? How many initial values are given? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 initial values are given here. 4 initial values are given here. Right. Now, we will do this question, we will solve this question step by step. Okay. So, as we know that this is fourth order differential equation, so we will introduce here, we will introduce 4 variables. We will introduce 4 variables. Let's say these variables are x1, x2, x3 and x4, right? Now we will assign some values here. So we will assign here y, y dash, y double dash and y triple dash. Since it's a fourth order, so up to third order we will assign. Now after that what we will do, we will differentiate with respect to t, right? So x1 dash equals to y1 dash, here x2 dash equals to y double dash, here x3 dash equals to y triple dash and x4 dash equals to y 4 times dash, right? Now again we will go for some substitution. What is the substitution? Let's see. Here what is your y1 dash? Your y1 dash is x2, right? So we will write here x1 dash equals to x2. Now what is your y double dash? So y double dash is nothing but it is x3. So we will write here x2 dash equals to x2 dash equals to x3. Now next, what is y triple dash? So y triple dash is nothing but it is x4. So we will write here x3 dash equals to x4. Okay. Now what is x4 dash? x4 dash is y fourth order. So what is fourth order? Actually what is the equation is given? I am writing the equation here. 4y 4 times fourth order derivative equals to 3y dash minus y double dash. Okay. Now what we will do here? We will substitute the value. Substitute the values. 4 times, so y 4 times, this is equals to, what is y 4 times? It is x4 dash equals to 3 by 4. I am taking 4 into the 4 to the right hand side. So 3 by 4 y dash. What is your y dash? Y dash is x1 dash. And x1 dash is what? x2. So I will write here x2 minus y double dash. What is y double dash? Your y double dash is x2 dash and it is your x3. So we will write here x3. Right? So y dash is what? Y dash, here y dash is x2. If you can see from here, you will get y dash is x1 dash and x1 dash is your x2. Okay. And what is y double dash? Y double dash is x2 dash and what is x2 dash? It is x3. So we have to substitute here. So now we have 4 equations. So this is our 4 equation. Let's see how many equations we have. This is my first equation. This is another equation B. This is C and this is D. Right. So now I am having the fresh system of equation. So I am writing all the equations together. So you will have x1 dash equals to x2 dash equals to x3 dash equals to and x4 dash equals to. x1 dash is what? x1 dash is your x2. So you have to write down x2. Point to be noted here. Here x1, x3 and x4 are missing. Okay. These are missing here. So this is missing. Now x2 dash is what? It is x3. So what is missing here? x1, x2, x4 are missing. Okay. Now what is x3 dash? x3 dash is x4. What is missing? x1, x2, x3. Why I am writing this? Because when you will change the system of equation into matrix form, you will require everything. And what is x4 dash? it is 3 by 4 x2 minus x3 by 4. Okay, so this is, and here what is missing? X1 is missing and x4, both the things are missing. Okay, so this is your new system of equation, and this is first order system of first order differential equation. Now guys, so in the first part, in the part 1, what we have done? We have changed the equation. Now in the second part, in the part 2, in the second part, we will change initial values. So we are changing here initial values. So how to change the initial value? So change initial values. So what was the initial values here? Y at 1 is 2. So we can write here what is y? Y is nothing but it is x1. So x1 at 1 is 2. What is y dash at 1? It is 3. So we have here x2 at 1 is 3. Y double dash at 1 is minus 6. So we have here x3 at 1 is minus 6, and at the end y triple dash at 1 is 4. So we have here x4 at 1 is 4. This is what guys, this is your entire system of equation. Okay, so how we can convert nth order into first order and initial values into new form of initial values. This is how we can convert. Thank you for watching.